Updating and adding time logs to your ServiceMonster 6 system gets a grip on your labor costs. Having your technicians check in and out guarantees accurate hourly pay. It also does things like make sure you're estimating properly for jobs you actually book. So, let's do some investigating. Find out how to do this in your ServiceMonster 6 together. You're going to want to find this on an orders page. So while we're just exploring, it doesn't really matter what order it is. So I'm just using this example. Where we want to go is the Job History tab, top left. Click on the work you want under Job Type. This will bring you to the Editing and Adding pop-up. Here is the job information, but to edit the time logs, go to Time Logs. And look at that. It's showing here that the tech forgot to check in and out. So you're relying on what information you have from the schedule. That may or may not be accurate for the job. So let's say that your tech was scheduled to work for 1 hour, but ended up working 2 instead. So let's create that. Click this plus button in the upper right. This is quick and easy. Select the correct text for the job. Then notate the accurate check-in and check-out information. To save it, click the little green Save button on the right-hand side. If you need to re-edit this, simply click this little pencil icon. If you want to completely remove it from your system, click the red X. When that's complete, either click Save or Save and Close. It's important to note that your time log information will appear on a couple reports in ServiceMonster 6. Nice to have all your accurate hours information in one place for tracking and such. Go to Reports in the Navigator. The 2 reports you're going to want to know about are Technician Job Hours and Technician Jobs under Miscellaneous. These will provide the information you need. As you see, this report lists the percentage of total hours for that technician, the orders, the subtotal, the estimated hours they worked, the actual hours they worked, the hour difference, and the hour difference percentage. The Technician Jobs report lists the technician here, the job date and time, the hours they worked, the job type, order number, order total, and the account. I hope this information was helpful to you. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can re-watch this video at any time or call our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.